What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick 7-minute cool down together. These exercises / stretches are perfect for after any workout to reduce your heart rate. These are very important to make sure that you do after your workouts. So go ahead and grab your yoga mat. But before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. And let's get into this cool down. Starting off with breathe up and downs, what you want to do is inhale when you come up and extend your neck all the way back, cover your neck with your arms, and then exhale when you come down, unfold your arms and then fold them back together when you get to the bottom, okay? We're going to do this exercise for 1 minute. Really work on your breathing. Exhale when you come down, inhale when you go back up, and let's just relax. Next, we're going to be doing center and side stretch. So bring your arms out in front of you and touch the ground into the sumo squat position, but keep your toes facing forward. And we're going to roll our neck first, and then you're going to go ahead and shift your hips. So slightly shift your hips from side to side, and you're going to feel this amazing stretch in your lower back and also your hamstrings. I love a good neck roll. You guys don't even know right now. We're going to be doing this exercise for 1 minute. Don't forget to breathe and take it slow. Next is our hamstring stretch. So what you want to do is bring your feet together and then bend over. Keep your leg straight and then rotate your leg. So one leg will be straight while one is bent and vice versa. If you can touch the ground with your palms, try to do that. I'm still working on my flexibility, you guys, so I can just do my toes right now, but you want to go ahead and reach down as far as you can go. We're going to be holding this stretch for a minute, so just rotate back and forth. You're going to feel a deep hamstring stretch. It feels so good. Don't forget to breathe, you guys, and just relax. Getting into some neck rolls, you're gonna just let your body dangle, just let your whole body relax, and then start in the center and go from side into the center and side back to the center. Now, I don't love to do a full roll, but I do one here, just one, and that's when you're gonna take your head all the way back and all the way back forward. I just don't love the way it makes my neck feel personally. I don't like when I toss my head back because I feel this grinding of my bones or something. That's just me. If you guys are comfortable with it, take your head all the way around. I just love a good side to side. Make sure that you're breathing and taking it slow. Just relax, you guys. We got 1 minute of this. All right, time for some arm stretches. So what we're gonna do is put your arm across your body and hold it with your opposite arm as you see that I'm doing here. I like to get a little extra neck stretch in, so I'll go opposite to the arm I'm pulling with my neck, but that's up to you if you want to join in on that. This is a great stretch for your tricep as well as your shoulder socket. It feels so good. If you want a deeper stretch, I recommend bringing the arm that's holding the other arm in. So bringing it in towards your arm, not towards your hand, if you get what I'm saying. Kind of like what I'm doing right here. I'm kind of pulling it a little bit more, and it just feels so good. Relax, you guys, we have 1 minute. Go ahead and switch to that other arm and just do the same thing over here. And last but not least, we have our quad stretches. So for this exercise, what you guys want to do is pull your leg up just like this and really pull that leg up. You get what I'm saying? Like pull your foot to your butt and really try to get that leg pointing straight down. You're gonna feel a deep stretch in your quad. Also, do not close your chest. A lot of people kind of fold their chest in. You wanna expand your chest and kind of puff your chest out a little bit for a deeper stretch. I learned this while stretching for the splits. It's actually one of the stretches that I incorporate in my videos for that split stretch, but that's another story. This is such a good deep stretch, you guys. I love it. So really pull that foot up into your butt. It sounds so weird, but you're gonna feel a great stretch. We have 1 minute here, and then we're gonna switch legs. Go ahead and switch legs. We're gonna do the same thing over here. This is our last stretch for the day. Good job, you guys. Relax, breathe through it, and enjoy it. It feels good. Oh, I'm about to fall over. Keep your balance. Do better than me. Awesome. I hope you guys feel nice and cooled down. Give this a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.